DaVinci Resolve Sound Effects. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open DaVinci Resolve, click on New Project, type your name, and then click Create. Next, import your footage and sound files into the media pool and drag them onto the timeline. Once you finish editing the timeline, open the sound library. In the sound library panel, click the download button to continue. Next, open the file in your Explorer, then extract the contents and install the setup. When the installation is complete, return to DaVinci Resolve and click on Sound Library again. In the search bar, type the sound effect you want to find. Inside this panel, you will see a selection of free sound effects available for use.